Okay, guys, welcome back to another lesson of today. So in today's video, I'm going to show you. We're going to still continue on the soloing. Okay, how to solo part 3. So if you didn't watch the part 1, comment on the hit on the comment section. I'll give you the link to go watch the part 1. Okay, and the part 2. So make sure you check them out, and so that you can understand the whole series, how it goes. Okay. I still want to show you some basic things I know and I learned over the years. Okay, that helps me when it comes to soloing. So I believe this video gonna enlighten you more and give you some good insight when it comes to soloing and improvisation. Okay, all right. So without wasting much of time, let's go straight into the video. All right. So listen to how I'm gonna improvise this song. Okay. Right, this song is sung by Sammy Guitar. I know many of you know him. Okay, so I wanna show you some things I picked and learned from him. Okay, in the key of E actually. Okay, in the key of E. Okay, so now let's break down. Okay, let me break it down. Okay, now these are the things you need to know as a beginner. Okay, and as an intermediate guitarist where you want to solo. Okay, where you want to solo. So the first thing you have to learn is what I call the picking pattern. Okay, your picking pattern. Now, I'm doing the lesson in the key of E. It's a key of E. Just look at the way I play that major scale there. It sounds more harmonic, okay? So, when you want to have a good play, at first, make sure you practice your major scale very well. Okay, so this is what I want to show you. Okay, I know many of you know the song. So, like, if you want to solo that kind of song, what you have to do is just start from your stuff like you just hold your double stop like this. Then you play. Any note you hit or any note you stop, this the song is just like it's giving space, okay, for solo unit. It's giving space. So any note you stop, just like now you are going to your va. So from this your la, you just play to your re, which is going to your sol chord. Okay, la do re mi fa sol ti va mi re. Okay, so because you're coming to your sol chord, you just have to find a note that to resolve that riffs immediately. Now this is what you will play. When you play, make use of your major scale very well, okay? Or either you play like that, so la ti do re, so la ti do re mi fa, so la ti do re la so la mi do, because you are resolving to your one chord now, okay? Because you are resolving to your one chord now. It's either you play that way or you play using your pentatonic, stuff like this. So you have to, because you have to get your the note you need to resolve on. Okay, so you can just play sol la do re mi sol la do la. Okay. Everything you play, make sure you are timing, you're getting the note you have to resolve with, okay? Because the chord progression of the song is okay. Is do va do so da 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 da. Okay, so in my next lesson, I'm going to teach you more of the chord intervals. Okay, so for today, when you know the chord progression, you are now able to play in some riffs, some licks, okay, to balance up, to fill up the song, and from there you have a good soloing. Okay. Okay, instead of to come and play, you just start from the sword. Okay. Because you have to resolve to the song, okay? Okay, so you now play. So this time around, I start from the re. When you stop at that, because you are actually going to a sol chord, or you're actually going to the re before the sol. Okay, so I just start at the re at once. Re mi sol la ti do re mi ti do re do ti la so fa mi do. Okay. That is how you can start learning professional soloing and beautiful soloing, okay, as a beginner, as intermediate guitarist, okay. So wherever you don't understand in this video, just do it here on the comment section. I'm going to give you a reply as soon as possible, okay. I'm going to make more subsequent videos about how to solo in my next lesson. Make sure you stay tuned and like this video, okay. All right guys, see you in the next video. Bye for now.